Hello everyone, in this Chrome video we are going to see that how can we fix the connection closed error in Google Chrome. So sometimes there is a connection closed error that occurs on Chrome abruptly and that renders us unable to access the internet through a Chrome browser. So in this video we are going to address that issue and see how can we fix this. So in order to fix it, you need to go to the search bar and type in CMD to bring in your command prompt. Now remember one thing, for this exercise, if you are running your command prompt and you are not logged in as an administrator, then you need to just right click over here and click on run as administrator. And if you are prompted with the user account control, select yes. This will open up your command prompt like this. So in this you need to type in two commands. These are the two commands. The first one is ipconfig. You can put a space, put a slash and flush DNS. So let's just copy and put it over here. Press enter. Then the second command you need to type is netish winsock reset. So let's just copy and paste it here. Now once you run this command, then all the settings would be reset for netish. And then you need to reset your computer, maybe restart your computer. Then you will see that the error has been solved. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.